Have you ever been in one of those situations where you're browning ground beef and you're getting a whole bunch of fat that you just want to pour off and get rid of? But what do you do with this stuff? Dump it down the drain? Nope, unless you want to call the plumber. So here's a nifty little trick my wife has been using that maybe you don't know about. You can just take a drinking glass and dump that hot oil right in there. That sounds like a fun cleanup, doesn't it? Instead, you can just flip that drinking glass over, take some metal foil, center it on there, and see how I'm just crunching it in on all sides, mimicking the shape of the glass itself. Then I can take it and turn it over. So you got to watch so it doesn't slip out when you do that. And you can see now I have an aluminum container I can put that grease into. So now I'm going to take this silicone material that I put drippy spoons into, set it underneath the pan, and put the pan in a position like that so I get most of the grease coming down. And then I can just ladle off. This particular recipe asks you to leave some of the grease behind. I'll go ahead and take that out. And there I go. I'm just going to leave a little bit in there for the recipe. Now I'm going to leave this harden inside the glass, and if I want to accelerate that, I can set the glass in my freezer for 10 or 15 minutes and make it solidify a lot quicker. There it is, waiting to get a little bit harder, and then I'll bring it back in a few minutes. Let's take a look at our hot grease after a little while. There you can see it is solid, and then what you can do with this is just take it out, close it up, throw it in the trash, or put it in a Ziploc and get rid of it without making a big mess. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.